So class 10.2 question number 2 first part, they have given length is L, that is B, and they want to know the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is L into B unit square. जो भी आप यूनिट होती है स्क्वायर होती है एरिया की, मीटर सेंटीमीटर व्हाटएवर इज दिस. देन पेरीमीटर 2 into L plus B, जो भी यूनिट होगी सिंगल होगी, दैट मींस इज मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर व्हाटएवर इज दिस. The third question, they want to know the cost of leveling a square. Cost of leveling a square, we have to find out. Before that, we have to find out the area of the square. And area of the square formula is side multiply side. That is 20.9 multiply 20.9. Answer is 436.81 meter square. After that, cost of leveling, area multiply rate. Area is 436.81 and the rate is given 9. The answer would be in the rupees 3931.29. Okay. Now we are going of the question number 4. Question number 4 is saying, read it. Find the area of a square if its side become 2/5 times of the original length. So whatever length is, we do not know the length. Let put the length is x. Okay. So 2/5 times. If side become 2/5 times, then original side is x and new one 2/5 into x, that is 2x upon 5. Now question want to know area of a square कितना कम हो जाएगा. तो this is area x into x square and new area 2x upon 5 into 2x upon 5 4x square upon 25. So how many times? Number of times formula, new area divided by old area. So you can say that is 4 upon 25 times. ये area होगा. Okay. Then question number 5, you have to find out the altitude. Altitude, what is called altitude height of a rectangle side. Wait. Find the altitude parallelogram. The parallelogram area given. See, area of this is parallel cylinder. So parallelogram base into height. Now question has given area 2.25 meter square and base is 250 centimeter and they want to know height. Height is called altitude. I can write in the bracket, this is altitude. Okay. Now you have to find out the height. अगर ये दोनों की सेम होगी तो बहुत इजी हो जाता है. But this is centimeter and this is meter square. So first of all, you have to convert it to the meter, and that would be 2.50 meter. How you can say this? Because 1 centimeter is equal to 1/100 meter. Then 250 centimeter is equal to 250/100. Then 2.5 can say 2.50, both things are same. Then find out the height 2.25 divided by 2.50. Then point cut this, cut by 5, cut by 5, 5 9 are So answer is 0.9 meter. Your height is of the 0.9 meter only. अगर आप 2.5 रखेंगे वो भी सेम आएगा आंसर, उससे भी आप रखेंगे चेक कर सकते हैं, नो इशू, ठीक है ना। तो आप इसके क्वेश्चन 8 से 9 तक ट्राई कीजिएगा, जो भी डाउट होगा वहां कर लीजिएगा, ऑफलाइन क्लासेस जब चलेंगी तो यू कैन आस्क, ओके।